In this video, we're going to be doing a beginner's exercise. We're just dealing with the white keys and classic beginner hand positions, one finger per key on the white keys, and moving that position up and down the keyboard. Both hands, we're always working with both hands and coordinating them. The right hand is going to have the pentascale, meaning every note under the fingers going up, and then in these various hand positions, the D position, the E position, the F, G, etc. We're going to keep going. In the left hand, we're going to have block triads, right? Same sort of pentascale position, one finger per key, but we're not using our index or our ring finger. We're just using the thumb, third, and fifth as a block. These are traditional triads. Tri means three. These are three-note chords or harmonies, etc. And we're going to go up until we get to middle C and then come back down. But both hands are working together. Right hand has the pentascale and the left hand has the block triad. Here's what that's going to sound like together. Notice in the exercise, you're not going to add time as you move the hand. It's not this. I don't want you to do that. I want you to keep the sound going. So again, I'm going to do the whole exercise. We do this 8 times in 8 positions until we get to the next C positions in both hands. Once we've gotten there, we're going to repeat this position, but with the pentascale coming down. And then we're going to move hand positions down. The G position, F position, E until we are back at C. So here's the whole exercise. The main thing is that you understand this intellectually. You get the concept so that you can go and practice on your own. But this is what it is. I'm going to go on the faster side just to demonstrate quickly. Switch it. And that is a great beginner's exercise.